DeGraff building in Colorado Springs. Look at this lobby. This is beautiful. Here's the elevator. Looks like a Westinghouse. I love this building. This is pretty. Oh, wow. Oh, it was a Dover. It is a Dover. No, this looks like it's got a big chunky bumper. I like this. This is a pretty elevator. Pretty building. 4. Down to 1. There's your panel, very simple. Phone was added in. Fire service also added in. I like this little cab. What is that? Somebody's barbershop sticker. And yes, I just bumped into the door. This is not a very big elevator. You can tell this thing sits on one because look, the one indicator light is all burned. Or the bezel, or whatever, the lamp. You know what I mean.